Hello everyone, welcome back to Full Scholarship video series where we bring you the best scholarships opportunities from around the world. Today I have some great news for you, which is a fully funded scholarship to start your undergraduate studies in South Korea. That's right, the KAIST University Undergraduate Scholarship 2025 is now open, and it is a chance you don't want to miss if you dream of studying abroad. So let us dive into all the details like benefits and how you can apply for one of the Asia's top universities. So stay tuned till the end of this video. The Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology is one of the leading universities in Asia, and the best part is they offer a full scholarship for international students, meaning all your major expenses will be covered. If you are from outside Korea, you are eligible to apply. And yes, even if you are currently studying at another university, you can still apply to transfer to KAUST. Plus, you don't need TOPIK, TOPIK Korean language test, Korean language test certificate. So no worries if you are not fluent in Korean. Moving on to the benefits of this incredible scholarship. So, what does this fully funded scholarship include? Let's take a look. Full tuition coverage for 8 semesters, that is, four full years of your undergraduate studies without having to pay a single cent of tuition. You will also receive a monthly living allowances of 3,50,000 in Korean, that's around $260 per month to help with your everyday expenses. And to top up it, you will get national health insurance coverage. This means your medical expenses will be taken care of while you are in Korea. Now let's talk about what it takes to qualify for the scholarship. The requirements are pretty straightforward. First one, you must be an international student, means you should not hold which means you should not hold Korean citizenship. If you are Korean origin applicant, you must have completed all your education outside Korea. You need to apply for admission to KIST, and here is the best part, there is no separate scholarship application. As long as you are admitted, you will automatically receive scholarship. However, for your freshman year, you don't need to maintain a GPA of you do need to maintain a GPA of at least 2.7 out of 4.3 to keep your scholarship for the remaining years. Now let us talk about available fields of study. KAISC offers a wide range of fields that you can apply from natural sciences to engineering, business and more. Here is a breakdown of some of the key areas you can study. In natural sciences, you can go for physics, chemistry, or nanoscience. If you are more into engineering, then they offer programs like mechanical, aerospace, electrical engineering, and more. Or if you are learning towards business, you can apply for management engineering or business and technology management. There is something for everyone, so whatever your passion is, KIST has got you covered. Now, you might be wondering if you need to submit an English test score like TOEFL or IELTS. While submitting these scores is recommended, it is not a must. You can still apply without them, and it won't affect your chances of being admitted. However, having an English proficiency test score could be an extra boost to your application. Let's move on to the eligibility criteria who can apply for this amazing opportunity. First, you must have foreign citizenship and neither of your parents should be Korean citizens. If you are Korean origin student, as I mentioned earlier, you need to have completed your entire education outside Korea. Unfortunately, those holding Korean citizenship, including dual citizens, are not eligible to apply as international students. Next up, the documents you need to apply. Here is a list of what you will need to prepare. First one, you need to prepare your application form, which you will submit online, one recommendation letter from a teacher or counselor, your high school transcript or university transcript if you are transferring, a copy of your passport or national ID, and a statement of financial resources to show how you plan to cover an additional costs. These documents are pretty standard, but make sure they are complete and accurate. So, how do you apply? It's quite simple. Follow these steps. First, read the admission guidelines carefully on the KAIST website. Then, create an account on the KAIST application portal. Fill in your application and double check to make sure everything is correct. Finally, you will need to pay a application fee of 80,000 in Korean and which is 80 US dollars. Remember, there is no separate scholarship application. Once you are accepted, the KAIST scholarship will automatically be granted to you. In order to view the complete details about this scholarship, you can visit our website, thekashmirlook.com or fullscholarship.net. Here you can view the complete details and the application link to apply for the scholarship is also mentioned here. So simply click on this link to apply. So in order to apply, hover over these before you apply. Here you can view the details. You can read the application guideline here, calendar here, application guidelines, and online application is here. So click on apply online. Here you can select whether you are applying for the spring or you are applying for fall. So for the applicants for the fall 2025 must have completed their high school by August 2025. So here you can read the further details about fee. So this is the fee you need to submit for your application, and after reading this you can proceed to application. So go to apply, click OK. Here is some information about personal information protection. So read these and then click on I agree. Also read these details, click on I agree all, then you can click on application. So for this application we need to complete these 7 steps. First step is application information. Here we need to enter our name, we need to upload our profile picture and create a password. Also we need to select our nationality, date of birth, our gender, place of birth, a passport number. If you have foreign registration number you can add, that's optional. If you have, so you can add that here. We need to add our contact information, our postal address, email address, telephone number, mobile number, also the guardian information. So we have to enter their name, relationship, their address and telephone here. So after completing these details we can click on save and continue. The next step is high school information. Here we need to update the details about our high school. The applicant requires one recommendation letter, one from your academic advisor. So fill up these details like high school name, high school address, official website, and recommendation here. And we need to update our academics. So fill up these details and then we can move to the next section. Next section is standardized official test score. So if you have taken any college statistics aptitude test, please fill out the following accordingly. So here for each type of standard official test score, you must choose at least one submission method. If you choose online reporting, you do not have to enter the store scores and upload scanned copies either. So if you choose file update, you must enter the scores and upload files. So here you can choose the scores and upload files, or either you can choose online reporting. So after completing these details, you can move to the next section. Next section is about honors and awards. Please list the honors or awards you have obtained during your high school years. If you have, you can choose those here. So here you need to enter these details about your honors and awards. So after completing this, we can move to the next section. This section is about essay. Here you have to describe your dreams and efforts you have made so far to achieve it and your future plan. It should be within 2000 characters or 300 words. So this is required field here. You have to enter it here. You have to enter it here, and you need to write the personal statement with focus on what you learned from and felt during curricular. So This should be about 1500 characters or 200 words. So enter it here. You also need to cite any cases in which you thought and or made attempts in ways different from those of others. So fill up this essay section and then click on check these boxes, and after here enter your signature, which you have to enter your name and date of birth. Then move on to the next section. Next section is finals resources. Here are resources. First one is KAIST scholarship. I recommend choose KAIST scholarship, so they will cover your tuition fee and living expenses. Or if you choose sponsoring organization, firm or government, so you can select that here. And you need, so read this. KAIST scholarship is designed to support students from diverse backgrounds, ensuring that financial challenges do not hinder their academic journey. So I recommend choose KAIST scholarship, and then click on save and continue. So now to submit your application, you need to pay the fee, which is about $80. So click on pay now, and then you can submit your application. If you have been dreaming of studying in South Korea and want to be part of one of the top universities in Asia, this is your chance. The KAIST University Undergraduate Scholarship 2025 offers everything you need to focus on your studies without worrying about finances. Plus, the application process is straightforward and you don't need to stress about submitting Korean language certificate. If you are ready to take this leap, start preparing your application today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarship, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram for upcoming updates on scholarships and educational opportunities around the world. Good luck to everyone applying, and I hope to see you all in South Korea soon. Until the next time, take care, keep chasing your dreams, and good luck with your application.